The last episode of Good Morning from Benin, I say they watch now for the year 2019. And I say, be time, don't run, don't reach the last. We don't do 51 Fridays for the year 2019, and the 52nd one, I'll be saying the next 2 hours or thereabout now, we don't through for the year. So they be, you can imagine, say, how the time to the fast, which day all of us gather here to talk, say, Happy New Year 2019. Now they talk, say, Happy End of Year 2019. Matter when we say different Ghana, I believe when we say concern all of us. You stand for time when we say no, everybody happy. They cry, say, hey, free show worry, free Dasuki. Aluta continua, this, da. All them, they want to say they do Aluta continua. Go bring the comment, they can tell us now whether Aluta will still continua. When we say don't free show worry now, don't free Dasuki and the rest. That they don't talk say what the people do, whether it's good or wrong, but they only talk and say, yes, say, if court say, free this person, free and make it go out because that's not rule of law, 1985. You know, all of them, every time when we say they do like this, they do like this, they do like this, all leaderity, now we go bring their come now. We got our brother here, we say they Talakawa movement, our brother for Edo State here, Kola Edokbayi. Welcome to our program.
I agree to my brother. My people for us, I agree to now.
Our brother, when we say they for here now, if you see faces, you go don't say yes, that they always do it. They go block the road. So you want to see you want to know the owners, they will be say you get Edo Specialist Hospital. We want to know how much they pay for this place. We want to know how much for this. No BDC, the one they say carry us they go, we no go agree. If you look at now, show worry how many years they for there, make them free and Osaze Edigi. Welcome to our program.
Good morning, Sadu. My people for us, good morning too.
Great you.
Compliments of the season.
Every time I do a Luta. Now, Luta don't go so the person on the cross say, made them free, Showori and Dasuki. They don't free them now. After some long period of time, what will be the next thing now when we say they now? Or how they feel after they don't repair, they don't release Showori?
Well, thank you very much. As I say, they don't release all the Major General Muhammadu Buhari don't obey
retired.
Retired. He don't obey court order over the issue of Showore and Dasuki. Not me say some other political prisoners not there. Like this, our friend, our brother from Sapsat, Agba Jaligo, we write some publication against we indict the governor of Cross River State, our Professor Ayade. Now they charge that one with treason, terrorism, and other things. The guy sit there prison now, don't spend so many months there. They don't. We want to. They try to talk. We say this is our country, so we get respect for the rule of law. We be constitutional doctrine. Everybody gets the right to freedom of expression. Society where journalists not there, society where activists not there. That society go to retrogress. It go to move backward. Why we say somebody go write, go issue publication, he indicts the governor of his state.
Oh, talk what today in mind.
Instead of the governor not to respond to the allegation with the level against her, or if we even go court self, may they go swan for not be liable that they call her. You understand? He just organize the states, the judiciary, the police, the judiciary. You understand? They just carry the guy, the innocent person just they suffer for there. We want to use this opportunity to take call on the Cross River State Governor, Professor Ayade, make he release Agba Jaligo. Agba Jaligo not be terrorist. Agba Jaligo not plan to overthrow him. Now just he just what he feel as a journalist now he writes. We supposed to operate a system whereby everybody go get that right to freedom of expression. If not be say why be say before court there will be court order. Trump need to come send message come Nigeria here before they will come obey court order. That thing get as it be. Not be during the time of military dictatorship, not be fascist or totalitarian regime. Nowadays, so we be say the president, commander-in-chief of armed forces, they blatantly they disobey court order. You understand? We get 3 organs of government: executive, legislative organ of government, and the judicial organ of government. Everybody get their own responsibility. Like the executive, not the executive.
Okay, you know today we'll come on all these ones because the one with matter when we say we know say yes, yes you. Plant something for here now, the thing you can't grow and the rest. When you set fire for you, they burn, they go. Now matter the bomb matter, we know. Because it's not the bomb many matter now. The way to the talker. We might come to you. Sazebla said my brother not to no water for the matter question I ask her. My ask maybe you help pour more water. How you they feel as a civil rights activist? Say yes, say Showore, they release them. How you feel say that's okay Sambo, they release them. How you feel now say the federal government, at least for once, at least for now, they agree. Say yes, say these people may they release them.
The truth of the matter be saying, not the release of Dasuki or Showore or Bakari be the major issue where they confront us as activists. The problem when activists they face be saying, it can't be difficult now for activists to even confront the level of human rights abuse in this system. You know why they're very difficult?
You never tell me.
Why they difficult be say it's easier for activists to engage military rule when you know that military rule they engage. It's easier than to engage a civilian rule where get military attributes.
Okay. But on democracy, they don't call it democracy. That's civilian rule where get military attributes.
You
know, talk and say, that say yes, we not be democracy, but that's civilian rule.
So most times when activists they cry, it is difficult for people outside Nigeria to understand the challenges because it could be as if they use democratic process. Meanwhile, waiting will they see not really democratic in nature. For instance, when court issue order say release this person, and you see order, you don't release them. What do you want call that one? Now look at this way. If the military
you don't release
look
them.
at this way. If the military
don't release them.
No, wait about now after thought because Congress writes from America. So most American governments involved in our internal affairs before we begin do the right thing.
Let make the presidency talk at that and say, make America face them, we will face our own.
But
you
why?
Remember now?
Okay, why they call
now matter now be this one. Now maybe not the time when we say don't look and say this are the time for us to.
No, let me tell you they look. Now when the letter come, now they release them because of. You say no country be island of itself.
No, but no verse. But before the letter come, Malami wake up that the General and Minister of Justice.
Say what about the case?
Wake up, say they want to take over the case. You know, if you say now when they just check the case and look and now say people they know they do well. Now it's make it release them.
No, see, may I tell you, the DSS they under presidency directly. Yes. Okay. They the answer to presidency, not the answer to any other person. They under any agency. They don't any other commission. Like police or immigration, with the other Ministry of Internal Affairs. I mean, Exterior Affairs. Sorry,
Interior Affairs, right?
Interior Affairs, rather. They did directly to presidency. So anything they do, presidency they know. As a matter of fact, anything they have for Benin year, they say they connect direct to presidency. Okay. So don't be that one say he want to take over or don't want to take over. As I talked before, the attribute of military. The government will make people it's difficult for activists to actually tackle some of these human rights abuses because they will pretend say they use democratic process. Meanwhile, some of the things where they happen not the democratic, like disobedience to court orders. It's not the democratic, and for you to come frame up case when not did there against somebody, all this one not the democratic. As my brother talk. Everybody get right to his own opinion. So as a leader, of course, your citizens must raise one issue or the other.
Okay, we say
so you not take a personal return.
Okay, we say they say this man that time say we get freedom of speech. This man former Uganda Idi Amin. He say your freedom of speech is guaranteed. He say but freedom after your speech
it's not guaranteed.
So if you can't go talk with it, no day road call, how it go be that kind of matter. Because I need to talk just like they talk about Agbaja lingo. Yeah. If you can't talk waiting no day road, how you want make it be that time?
But you know day road that sir.
When we say yes, maybe waiting the fee say yes, a day. Guess what kind of person if you do? If you they inciting. All of us want, even you as an activist now peace you want.
Yes.
You as an activist now justice you want.
Yes.
So when somebody come now, talk about when we say in go incite people. Against what it is not supposed to be and all of that. You know, if you say yes, government supposed to take some kind of action to make sure that they correct that thing before we say go blow into this thing.
The government will take action. We get caught there. You understand? Right. You will get caught. But according to people, lawyers, they say you cannot be a judge in your own case. You understand? That one negate the principle of natural justice. If you feel say this journalist or anybody writes something against you. You understand? As the president or as the governor of the state, now for you to activate the law, use the law, take fight time. And if court, judicial arm of government will say they charge the responsibility of interpreting the law, say okay, this person release them. You understand? They will release that person. You understand? The bigger tell the person say okay, as far as this matter they court, so make you not talk. When I say it's supposed to be, it will be subject this. Now they talk about matter with they court.
They don't talk.
Put. You understand? Now so it be a simple thing. Our leaders are supposed to be democratic because this power, so it did transient. When I say transient, you know they last forever. Okay. You understand?
They come, they go.
They come, they go. So Obasanjo today now, Obasanjo he don't come to bloody civilian
like you. Okay. They call them.
You understand? Yes. You know, so it be. Anything a person do to the Bible talk and say, be not deceived, for God is not mocked. For whatsoever a man swear, that shall he also reap. The law of karma, they read. That be saying they use the instrument of the state. Just say you want to suffocate, you want to punish this person. Anybody will just write this thing now. Anybody will just write publication, just write against the government now treason. Anybody will protest now. Go specialist hospital now. Special talks on there now. They wear people face, slap people face. So you see people will fight for the mass. People they express their right to freedom of association and peaceful assembly. People will get that right. Ask simple question. Now the responsibility of government to all the people, you understand, to offer solution answers. I mean, to mobilize stocks to the slap now where people face, or you use the instrument of the state, the police, they arrest the next thing, you find one cause.
It sound as if this thing, because you talk and say if somebody do it they wrong.
Yes.
You go make the arrest, I mean they try for courts. They try the matter for courts. Yes. People when you say they where people slap and they slap people, there's why una no feel say yesterday a civil right are supposed to take them to court. Are they people faceless?
Okay, thank you very much. That's they are not faceless. You understand? At least you know one or two of them. You understand? But
why not take them to court if you say you know one or two of them?
Who want to take them? Call police.
No, my brother they come. If you go report now, not the police will charge them to court. Go see what happened for airport road now with the bomb tire everywhere, destroy road there. Government road. They bomb motor. How many people they don't charge to court? If you write petition, okay, go do the police go do their work. If call come from above, it never finish. You don't finish, my brother. Well, not pretend as if we don't know what they happen. What would they talk? They pray, say yes. Make our president, our governor, they act within the sacred precinct, within the rule of law. We say the flourish democracy. We they say America now. We know what they happen to Trump for United States of America now. You understand? We know the way that they operate their democracy. And Nigeria now borrow their presidential system of government from America's style of government.
Okay,
1979.
No, Allah. Make we look the one when we say we talk. No, you do officially say this will not be sign of good things to come now. Since it be say government people complain, say they no release Showore. People complain, say they no release Dasuki after so many courts don't grant and bail. Grant Showore bail and so many other people. You know, no say I say good thing they inside. Say government release these people, even if now foreign pressure now make them like when I talk, make them release them. You know if you say the foreign pressure now come make things they right. See they come they do what they do and they right. You know looking like that. And if at all say they don't decide to follow foreign pressure, Nigeria is a sovereign country. It's a sovereign nation. They get right to do their own things the way they want to do them. Must the Americans come and interfere in the things they want to be say Nigeria they do? I ask you, my brother.
The truth of the matter be saying, we don't feel trust what they do now because you will say you want to come out as president. You should understand other democratic.
They look the matter. People know what you go born.
You should understand say in the democracy, you supposed to go that way in the first instance. I want to trust you, and I want to further trust military man who don't retire when he want to become civilian president or governor. I want to trust such a person. The truth of the matter is say a military man is always a military man.
But don't retire. No. You talk just now. You talk just now. Say, our military men they talk. Say, when they call out, election go back to you don't already come out. You don't become bloody civilian. So by the time they say you retire as a military man, you don't become bloody civilian.
That military traits still there.
But our constitution don't talk say yes. Say we. Person where BC retire don't get right.
Good. That is the more reason.
I mean, they ask for constitution amendment.
No. That's the more reason. Not everything go to constitution. There's certain common sense. Some of this is already shown to us. Say some certain category of persons no fit manage democratic procedure or process. Now, what we see now with that? Why are you talking now? Say A military man, now it's always a military man, whether he retire or serving. Now, the respect for human rights.
Good, no, could they check this thing one after the other? We could not forget, no verse. You talk and I say, commonsensically.
Yeah.
They'll use sense to do something.
Yes.
They say, but when it comes to the time of the law, which one did they? Now, exigency have been a law. Now they
No. Exigency. Exigency.
Now the common sense.
Yes, exigency at times go make you not enter trouble, even though Constitution tell you say this is like this.
Okay.
For instance,
the man. Wait first. The man yesterday for America. I mean, the first day. Yes, on the 24th, he go rob bank. It's just like for the Christmas. He rob bank, finish, and carry the whole money come out. He share the money throw away, and they tell people say Happy Christmas, Happy Christmas. Now big money is now goes about. Let's say about that kind $20,000. I carry for bank. He go rob the bank. He not take $1 inside, but they try to give people say hunger today. They try to give say Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. In that case, now commonsensically now they must say people they're hungry, but you don't do what they wrong. I be for law. So this kind of thing now for your own. Now sense we go use. I be now law we go use.
Now between sense and law, for instance, the issue of rotational government when they run for Nigeria as well, you know, they for constitution.
No.
But we don't say we need to give everybody his own share. If not, while I go there, we go say, you don't ship Bomaton, you don't shout Maton, you don't show Obama. You know they our constitution. But common sense tell us, say, if you not do one like this, while I go there. Now, common sense also suppose don't tell us, say, the way retired military people they rule in democracy, you know, they really go with democratic process. And which go suppose give us common sense to say, a military man is always a military man, whether retired or serving. The respect for human rights is difficult for military to understand. We must know that mostly in Africa, not be abroad, we say to even see military man, they had.
But the military
still get power over Africa.
When you talk about now, the man when be say they there, now him be the military man, the president.
Yes.
They make reference to that.
Yes.
Retired Major General Muhammadu Buhari. Man, use your
Commander in Chief of the armed forces.
The people when be say they round down there now, over 80% or 90%, they're civilians. You understand? So are they not supposed to be guiding him and telling him, say, no, so it be, especially when you and me know, say, yes, say, Aisha Buhari, they come out every day, they cry, say, he holds by hand and let it they tire.
They don't hijack
They don't hijack in this place. So is it the man now? Now you go to say they in charge now. I mean, people will be say they around that.
That one when you talk now, say, what did they happen to the man? Now you know I want to come out himself from that matter. But what it concerns us as citizens, we say, what we want, we say we want real democratic government. Now he be the president. Anything we go for the job. Now he had the day. All those he hates, or even with the vice president, you know, concern now. Now he will be number one. Now he had the day. If you know from beginning, say, Kabas will give a problem. You see, most times when people want to take power, then they'll forget where they come from. Now when they don't reach there, they realize say the process where they take come is not correct, and that process because they will chant them. That time it will be difficult for them to come out. Now on the second leg of your question, when you get to do it, why say America must come tell us what to do? If not be where we don't find ourselves, we don't they retrogress more than where we supposed to reach for a very long time. What if they complain about now today about the Showore and
the rest?
Is the apple at the state level? It make reference now to specialist hospital where government will send their I don't want to use the word terms.
Their wearers.
When they call the attack peaceful protesters. What do you want to make of that?
Well, they say around from time say we they get pro-government, we get anti-government protesters now.
You get right to protest. Pro your own. Let people also answer their own. But do your own at different level. But you don't get right to go they attack people because they do their own. Make sure this Agba Jalingo, for instance, waiting person write for paper, content translate to terrorism. Now you must understand, say the use of state machinery against citizens, you don't hide where.
Did he use or abuse?
Abuse.
So
you don't hide where in these system times. And until we begin to talk about these things, not be say they release Showore and the rest, not be the military. The problem when they confront us now to say mostly activists now say the activists they confused now. They don't even know how to even handle a government when they use instrumentality of democracy to abuse human rights. You know, I've heard child make it clear. It be like lion. If you see lion, you don't say na lion one fight. But when you see lion we carry sheep face, you have a problem. because you see sheep face, but now lion and they behind that sheep face. Now that is the things
when they call person when get two-face.
Face. So we then see democratic government as it were, democratic government as it were, but the operations, the activities, the actions of the government not really the teeth towards democratic government.
Okay, Kola, you see, you now one person basically don't get some kind of experience, even you. The wearing of slap not be new thing. And the rest, maybe to you and the rest. We don't know, say the road to prison, don't work go there, don't work come back, and that kind of thing. So if you want to look at now, say this thing, in the talk of some challenges when we say these freedom fighters, activities that they get, if you look at now, the way it goes to you get Janus face, you get two face, but you will see one face, but a different thing for the back of that face.
Exactly.
And like I would say, in this kind of a thing now, and all of that, what do you feel say be the best way to approach issues? When government will say, no protest, no do this, and all of that, you know if you say other ways to engage government for the countries when we say yes, say that they do?
Yes, thank you. But you know, say in the first place, government no fit stop activists from protesting.
No, because it's constitutionally
our domestic laws, our constitution, even international law, it did there. You understand? So what I felt before I will deal on this one, this question you ask me. So I want to say that American people will say we send message to Baba, to our Major General retire, say this thing you need to do. You don't get choice, because Nigeria now member of United Nations Organization.
Okay.
You understand? Nigeria now signatory, one of the signatories.
Yeah.
You understand? And United Nations Organization, they get respect for fundamental human rights. You understand? You'll be like world government. That is why you know every get choice as they send message to us, so you know say everywhere get as it be. You all need to do it. When they release so 7:30 that day, they release Dasuki and that's something after now.
Almost the same time.
They release them because of the power we be say that what government gets. Now so it be. Like coming to this issue of adopting on that strategy, since government
of engaging government.
In the first place, they never feel stop us from protesting. Now so it be. But it get the way the tension will come be. You just can't use your mind. So okay, this issue supposed to address this issue now via protest to go the street to go vent our spleen. You understand? I've written to the police for security coverage, even though they know will come. You understand? But also they will come, but the word when they clap people face and every other things. You understand? In that kind of situation,
you use common sense.
Yes, you use common sense. You understand? They retire to your cocoons, go address what press conference. You do press conference there. When you do press conference, why does you don't send the message? Once you send the message, you don't send it. You don't send the message. You don't finish. Alternatively, if you say okay, make you write, and of which say if you write, go take that kind of 3 years. In fact, during the time of Adamsali Oshimole, what will write letters? You understand? Now after you don't come up for office and they reply that letter. After you don't come up for office, now we can't see the letter. My brother, this country get as it be. You understand? I say the other way. Once we channel that one this way, if we use this other way, provided say we send the message, we know they say definitely the media did there to cover them. You understand? The media did there to cover them. Okay, if there is any allegations, they get somebody will be saying the mouthpiece of the government will be say journalists will go meet to hear their own side of the story. Once they hear their own side as such, they'll transmit the message to either the president or the governor. Now so it be.
You get one cartoon when I see it the other day. They show looters, politicians and all of that. They enter one big place, they carry money, you know, they don't write different things for their body. They carry money, they come out. A cartoon. They can show two big dogs. One, I'm a journalist. The right journalist puts. The right civil activists. The dog, they don't fart well, it's down in the chop. You know? People when they loot, they no fish out again. And that kind of thing. Waiting be the fate of journalists. And I feel if you know answer journalists, put on they say, what will be the fate of civil rights activists then? When they basically say that they use money till they block their faces. Or till they cover this, they'll call the fat and everything. Because if you see your belly, I don't understand.
No, so they buy me free water.
Well, I don't understand again. And when I go see us, I said, now, the last time we say, he come here that time now. Maybe this kind of t-shirt we wear, it's not big. I know that t-shirt they wear, but it not be this size. Not be this size. So I call they ask ourselves, waiting with the fate of people that when Bishop and the phone and go to do a luta continua, where Bishop now be the head. You understand? And with all of the here, this will something happen. They go to us and don't protest because they say, okay, the leaders of the forum or the body should come inside let discuss because they'll tell us say the rule for sit down discuss. You know if you carry everybody. You understand? So the leaders should come in. And when leaders don't go in, if they don't come talk, the leader come address and people say, you know what is there, let us go home and strategize because what is there. And the entire thing when the BCS they talk for that place, not be the exact and entire thing. Or they fit tell the people the team, not be all they go tell them. And don't forget, so you both say half truth is worse than lie. You understand? In this case now, how would they see the future of activism for this country when it be say we know, say some or most activists them, they're afraid they decide, but later you consider for side government later when it be say different to that. We don't get many of them like that.
Yeah. I think this one opportunity for me to clear some areas where a lot of people never really understand about activism. A lot of people they concept activism in their own way. But we were there inside, we know what we see.
Which kind of misconception?
Good. Some of them things say activism are about bewa. Most times, there's a need for you to also retrace your steps to reevaluate the situation. Right. But people you all think say maybe as you take up that matter, you must continue to hammer on that matter. But maybe a lot of information don't still come to your own attention.
And this information could be in the form of Ghana must go back.
No, not necessarily. It must be in the way of Ghana must.
Or maybe it can be in alert.
A lot of people get this impression they say activists when they do agitation now to go carry Ghana must go. Maybe they expect say as you don't start at that level, you must continue that level. Maybe you can also value the matter. Maybe they can explain better to you. Say no, not what you think it be. As a human being, of course, you don't begin to agitate. You also make you slow down. Because as you slow down, people will think say they don't bribe you, which is very, very wrong.
But this is the day when we say they bribe.
I come.
And then you come at the other time. Say, see, when you talk about Showore, you show the money. You show money. You show money. Wait first now. You show money. Say this is money when we say they give her. You understand? You show money. In the first place now, whether not the money or not be the issue. Why did they accept the money? When they say yes, say
no. I tell you, what you call you get to they call circumspect.
Okay.
When you say you use your sense to do certain things. See, may I tell you, activism is very dicey. People don't understand. Not be one-way traffic. Okay. You know, people just expect say maybe government do it and not like now. They expect activists to your carry fuel. Go government has born now. That's what people they expect. But you as an activist, you make one thing, you make one statement now. You say when you see say the environment, they test. People they say this is happening. Come out, protest. You when the activists you go calculate and say, is it the proper time for me to come out? So when you don't come out, when they expect you to come out, because then when they push you, so they don't come out. They want to make you die. So they will benefit. We know those things. Nigerians don't want to die, but they want to make activists go die, so that they will benefit this thing. Now let me also go to the second leg where people don't understand. So many so-called activists are politicians. So many are government civil society groups.
Okay.
Even when they say government get one where they use time to time, they will mention one day whether consent is something. You get one day they mention where you know the name of the group is faceless, the name of the leader of the group is faceless in Edo State. So when they want to give credibility to what they do, they'll create their own civil society group or activists saying activists they support us. Meanwhile, that one what they call itself activists is a card-carrying member of the ruling party. So all these things are what they confuse when they make people they confuse about work of activists. If I tell you what the activists they pass through, if not to make money, activists get a lot of opportunities to make money. But make I shock you, there is no way government go compromise you when the same government no go announce you. As a matter of fact, before you come out for the leader house or the position will give money, you never even reach gate. When COG don't come and say no be that one, they insult us. The young come over and say I got give 1 million. Now they don't also cast you. So there's no way you can continue activism 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, and you collect money and you want to go fight the same system. It's not possible. It's not possible. Yeah, you know that it's not possible. You want to give me money today, I can't fight it tomorrow. When you know you expose me.
Okay.
You must expect to say, maybe even when I give money yesterday, at times, maybe you even put a camera, you will cast me, or you show a lot, you just transfer money, give me. So I want to continue my activities. If activities collect money here and there, as people they think. If I tell you the temptation, the threats, when activists they face on behalf of the people, they never know. The reason why the system they were a kind of balance. People know the activists they raise issues. People for them they enjoy the type of freedom they enjoy today.
Okay, make we look the area of divide and rule. You don't understand? Activists if it come now, they're plenty.
Yes.
You know, let's say 50. You know, when they don't be 50 like that, you don't say the way the thing be. They'll come call some people say, come outside the members. If you don't be the leaders.
Yes.
Because every one person needs, those say one politician tell me that I say there's a difference between volunteers and loyalists, or volunteers and people when they are paid workers.
Paid workers, yeah.
You understand? So some people they will be saying, everybody don't volunteer, say want to be active, we want to fight this cause. But at the end of the day, if you don't meet the people when we say the day against government, they'll consider some few, empower them. You know, now some of the area when we say they see pro-government, now be some people see that pro, they empower them. They don't come for their mind. So they are not the others, they voluntary. So the time they don't come now, they come bring that kind of thing come out. Divide 50 into 2. Maybe 30 day one side, 20 day one side. And even a smaller number, they empower them more than the more other this thing and all of that. What will come be the fate of activism that time? You know, now say some people ask and they talk say no, you must release Shawore must be released. We must know how much they build a Edo hospital. We want to know get a Edo hospital. They talk about that. You see those people they when they give money, if it dare like that. You know, if you say that they'll come and talk pass, say that's when they talk, say no correct, say that kind of situation now, what would they do to make sure say that kind of thing they bring the ugly head up? Anytime for activism.
You know, so you're not going to stop that kind of thing. If you understand, even among 12, disciples.
Only small 12.
Only small 12.
One guy come out.
One guy come out, one guy come out.
So where would they do agitation for BADC that time? We see no one or two people will be say still collect.
Collect for back.
Collect Bogri. When they chop his oboe with that woman, with Funke and the rest of them. That's where they be. You understand? Is why this activity, so people just. Some people just wake up one day and they shout, Isolatory Africa, and all that. Nobody will be activism. You understand? You must study. You understand? You study, you know what at the top. Because you take time studying and where. Not only at the national level, or regional level, international level, you study and waiting and still do. And some of them are calling. Some people just passion. Now passion, you must get that passion for activism. Even with empty stomach, as you do, you get joy.
That will be your food.
Yes, as they draw you, they get joy. But when the appropriate time, which way God will bless you, God will definitely bless you.
No, they feel say that joy is enough blessing for them.
Yes, thank you. It's why I just get some now. We be say even that organization way my brother mentioned just now. You get one or two people we say we even know. We be say just mention that they come, they talk. We be say they be the brain behind that this thing. You understand? Just after they don't collect, they are just. Commercial, what they don't they just discuss with them. Now pay and go. You discuss finish. Okay, you have to go do all this.
Pay as you go.
You pay as you go. You don't collect and after you don't go do. When the contracts expire, you don't go. Now say it be. How those kind of people, you don't get rid of it, they sustain. You don't even see them for street self in the first place. You don't go feel, you don't see them.
You get problem, you call them.
You get problem, you call them. I know as I tell you see when we go, I know as I tell you see Omobude and the rest of them when we go station. We don't go see them. Well, that was station money till night.
For one person
matter. For one person matter. Before we feel secure the person freedom and every other thing. Now so it be. And all those people, commercial activists, you must see them. Okay. Now so it be my brother. And that one if it can suffocate our own genuine struggle towards the emancipation of man. We know, you understand.
Okay, before we come out now, because time not be our friend and so many other things they won't be so we go. Take now. If you want to advise governments, because you know, say the human beings, this must always come up. People go always agitate for something and all of that. You know, how it could be. People go always say, even if you know agitate, no go street, go block road, go to make noise and the rest of that, go block somebody's office. You go sit and say, this thing they pay me for belay, and all like that agitation on the so. In this case, now what do you advise? Which will be the common ground when they say government and activists or the popular if you meet? so that this kind of things then, we're not just able to stop, so I go reduce.
I think government understand, say, conscience. People, everybody get conscience to gauge what they do, whether correct or not. When they try shut people down, make them not agitate. Now your own self they do, because all those is supposed to be feedback to you as government to do the right thing or not. See if I the bond markets and activists already talk about that. Say, look, we need to put this in place. But instead of government to listen to activists, they blame on opposition. That's not the way to go. Now to sit back and say, what can we do? Waiting local government feel even also.
But once when you go no, because they say activists talk and not say activists they right.
No, activists.
Don't forget to say yes. Say people feel they gather they talk many things. People say majority wins the vote. But that doesn't mean majority is always right.
No, there are certain things where they are. For instance, now, if we measure the issue of power, me and you know say, if you take statistics, at least 80 or 90% of people now on the negative, that they will speak on. Me and you know that one. If you measure the issue of police, me and you know what impression people get. If you measure fire when they catch market, me and you know what people expect government to do. So whether they get shop for market or not, people will always say, make government try. Protect these people goods. That's on one side. Then they're talking about where government and citizens and civil society people need to say, government is not run in secrecy. No. Government now our collective power now will give them. May they rule us. What do we expect government to do? Say
any policy to our power now will give them say the user for us.
Yes, in trust. They all in trust for us. Now what do we expect government to do? We say if you get one or two things you want to do, you go let the people know what you do part time. Not be will you wake up one day yes say they don't sell Edo State, they don't sell Nigeria. You don't consult anybody. That thing they bring disharmony among government and civil society and the people. For instance, notice some government from holding town hall meeting. We know they pressurize Edo State government say, no town hall meeting. Since in session of this government, we never see town hall meeting. Where you will feel engage people, tell them say, see what they do, see what they do. What if your own input? No input, you just sit down, design program, implement.
Okay, no problem, Sha, but you know say the free do town hall meeting, Sha, we plan for them. We won't take 7 people and go ask question and the rest. They will not know people when we say, hey, we go raise your hand and they'll pass you. That person ask question.
At least do one. At least do one. You're not going to be power. Okay. But show me the town meeting when this thing we talk to. Don't show me the. They're doing. When you want to sell Edo house, people come. Even some traditional rulers tell you, show me the seller. If you don't say what to do with the money, chop the money. But luckily enough, some of us still stand up, tell the governor, we know that. But where they are today, you see the Lagos there. So people must engage government.
So the same question I ask and I go ask you, how you feel say government take a common ground with civil society so I think they will carry well.
Not just to call for town meeting as my brother I will talk. You understand? We now we not some what they pay me be say some of these people that they see us say we they against them. Whereas our activities so if they able to strengthen their government well.
Exactly.
You understand? Like that set hospital now, you know, so they just in fact they just build as they build and they just lock them. Then I lay all those selfie people, selfie guests, call it snap selfie. You understand? They come in for animals. We protest before the man come up now. Before the governor come up now. As the governor up now, those people applauded the governor, say, yes, the governor trial, even though we don't know the state of the hospital. Now we say our brothers they protest, they go they clap their face. You understand? Even though we don't know. You understand? Like this new era, some of the media college, now we say the Justice Commission the same day for permission, where the commission Central Hospital. You understand? That was in 2016. 2016, yes. With the community. In fact, the school just did there now. The only people they smoke Morocco. Grasses don't encircle the place. You see where students they learn. If it rain, it won't rain fall. When they fall top of students. You understand? We don't start the agitation, series of publication, protest, press conference, they want to draw the attention of government in case they don't know, even though that they do their own program for the whole there. You're able to say they forget, say classrooms did there. Will they draw their attention? Because once eventually government can't do it today, tomorrow they can't open now, you understand the credit will still go back to the government. People will say, yes, this governor try. See what he do. And he will constantly get more supporters. You understand? Like this show of market with the bomb. So what stop them as we tell them, maybe they don't get fire service all the markets. If now one they just get. You know if we stop there anything. You understand? All we are doing, or waiting now to make sure say our state becomes one of the best, becomes a better place for
our,
everybody.
For our country, Nigeria.
You understand?
I agree to you so much. When we say when I show, but I don't want to. I'm not going to answer this one. Just an afterthought. When I say a town meeting, if they do town meeting, waiting I thought the name, go implement and how that one will be. Kola Edopayi, thank you so much. And I greet you, my brother.
We will respond to that online later for our TV website.
I agree to you. We'll take a small break after that long discussion. So we'll come back, continue for where we say we stop. 2019 they finish, so 2020 they come. After they come, so we'll come look and say how it will be when we say we enter the 2020. What do you want? Make it be say government do to make Nigeria a better place, to make it just a better place. Don't go anywhere, stay with us.